Hi everyone, my name is Laura Boville. I am an assistant professor of English at SWIC on the Granite City campus, and I will be teaching this section of English 102 for fall 2020. I wanted to take a minute just to introduce myself and to welcome you to the course. I know that we're starting this a little bit in the middle of the semester. It's only 8 weeks long, which might be a little overwhelming for some of us, but I wanted to encourage you and also remind you that we'll be doing this together. It'll be in chunks. There's no need to be anxious about it. It might be fast, but I think that all of us are capable of accomplishing what we need. So English 102 is a research writing course. It'll build on a lot of the skills that you practiced and learned in English 101, but it'll add the sort of added challenge of research. So for some of you, this might be a more comfortable type of writing than you had in English 101. For some of you, it might not be. But I think that the project we're going to do will be fun and hopefully effective for all of you. I wanted to give you a little bit of information about my background. I have a public communication degree from Truman State in Missouri. And after I finished at Truman, I moved abroad to Japan to teach English there for several years, which is really where my passion and interest in teaching came. When I moved back from Japan, I got my master's from SIUE in Edwardsville. So I taught there for a few years and then I moved on to SWIC. So my background is in teaching English, communicating. It's in rhetoric and also research. So hopefully the course that I've designed for you guys is effective and overall fun. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email. You can address me as either Laura, Professor Boville, Miss Laura, any of that is fine, as long as you don't call me teacher or dude. I think I'm pretty good. Right now, I'm living in Tower Grove Park in St. Louis with my fiance and also our pit bull, who is joining me on camera today. So hopefully that gives you a little insight into my life, and I'm really excited to get to know you guys and to work with you this semester. So thank you, and I will see you soon.